cold. Okay, let's apply. Well, it's applying nicely at least. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So today I'm here with another skincare video. This is Sunday skincare once again. I could not upload last week due to being very busy. I had two unexpected clients on Saturday, so I couldn't do a Sunday skincare on Sunday as well. I was so knackered, so I'm sorry last week was no video, but this week I'm back again with another Sunday skincare video. Today I'm going to do another exfoliating mask, which I have tweaked out myself, but obviously the ingredients are very easy and they're going to be in your cupboard at any cost. So without further ado, let's begin with this video then, guys. So all you need is 1 tablespoon of coffee granules. My granules are not that thick, they're a bit grounded. I hope it works. It will act as an exfoliant. Then add the yogurt, 1 tablespoon as well. It has lactic acid, it acts as the exfoliant and it will soothe your skin. When it forms this paste, then you're going to go ahead and apply it to your face. Okay guys, so I am here with the mask and I'm not sure how this is going to exfoliate because the coffee keeps dissolving. But anyways, let's try this out. I'm trying it for the first time with you guys. Like, I think it is going to be a very good exfoliant. I read the recipe where it was supposed to be in honey, like the coffee in honey, and I did try it, to be very honest. I'll just insert the clip here, but it turned out to be dalgona coffee on my face. There was no exfoliant, so I thought that I will do it with yogurt. This is my own invention, so let's hope it works. Let's go. Oh my god, cold. Okay, let's apply. Well, it's applying nicely at least, because the previous one was not nice. Oh, it smells good. I'm applying it on my under eyes as well, because coffee is really good for your dark circles too. You know, caffeine feels good. There are some granules of coffee here. Don't overmix it. Don't leave it for too long. Just apply it instantly so that you can get some granules in there. I am back. It's looking like a mud mask, you know. लगाया करते थे पाकिस्तान में मुल्तानी मिट्टी का mask. It's looking like that almost. So yeah, it looks so funny, and I'm sure I'm going to go and my son is going to laugh like crazy. Let me call him in fact. He said it's chocolate. Kids nowadays, he said it's yummy. Anyways, so I'm gonna wait for like 10 to 15 minutes. I am inserting this clip in because I forgot to say that after I applied the mask, I did actually rub it in like circular motions all over my face so that it can actually, the coffee can exfoliate, and then leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Sorry, I missed that part. So now rest of the video. And then I'm going to go ahead and wash this mask. I can really like feel it stiffening a bit at the moment, like around the mouth, and also maybe it will stiffen up. This is my first time applying it, I'm telling you, so whatever the results are, I'm going to share it with you. So let's come back after 10 minutes and then let's see. Okay, so I am back after like 10 to 15 minutes. It's like kind of dried now. Like, I can feel it drying on my face. It's almost like 12 minutes, not 10, not 15, so it's almost 12 minutes, and it's kind of dried on me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just wash it, and then I will come back. Okay, so I'm back. The mask has definitely given me, like, my nose is shiny, and I do feel like the skin is very soft. The tip of my nose is so soft. Like, it's giving me such soft vibes, and I feel so refreshed. Even that I've been awake all night last night, I still feel very fresh, and like you can see the face is instantly like brightened, and I absolutely love it. Now I'll go ahead with my normal moisturizer, whatever I use. So obviously, as you guys know, I go with Epiderm lotion. You can use any that suits you. So let's go ahead, apply it under your eyes, all over your face. Don't forget your neck. Apni hai. I bought this from Primark some time back, and I actually do like it. The colors are a bit off, but yeah, fine. Okay, And there you have it. I mean, the face is looking, I'm not applying any makeup to show you guys because I wanted to look as like raw and natural as it could be, so that you guys can see the difference. You can see that how shiny it has got. Like I can feel my skin so soft, and like this is like very smooth now. I do apply every mask that I apply on Sunday. I do apply it on like a Wednesday, or like Wednesday, Tuesday, not Tuesday. Mostly I do it Wednesday or Thursday, so that it becomes like twice a week. So I'm going to reapply this mask on a Wednesday as well, Wednesday or Thursday. I'll let you guys know, so that each mask goes on for like twice a week. I obviously exfoliate my face twice a week, so this is what I'm going to do. Anyway, so this is it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Do try out this mask and do let me know how it works for you. You can add some haldi in it as well, like turmeric. You can add that as well. Lemon, I don't know about that, but yes, yogurt and coffee works. Do try it out and let me know how it works for you. So this is it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Love you.